documenting the measures taken to mitigate against the spread of the coronavirus in the country's courts.
Courts across the country remain closed today following the directive from the Chief Justice as lawyers, litigants and judges stayed away from the premises.
The CJ had asked the courts to scale down activities across the courtrooms for 2 weeks starting today. Only urgent matters would be heard during this period.
Now, despite the directive, some litigants showed up at Milimani Law Courts but were turned away. The judiciary has all the same provided hand washing points and sanitizers at the entrance to courts as a means of encouraging people to help stop the spread of the disease.
The allegation, as reported in several foreign media outlets, is that President Trump offered, quote, large sums of money to get exclusive access to a coronavirus vaccine being developed by CureVac, a German company. This morning, Germany's top government officials were to convene and discuss the reports from CureVac. It is reported that President Trump was trying to get the company, which also has sites in Frankfurt and Boston, to move its research wing to the United States and develop the vaccine, quote, for the US only. CureVac is just one among 30 other companies and academic institutions attempting to develop a vaccine to prevent more infections and the unprecedented spread. 4 of the said companies have been testing their vaccine on animals. These efforts were kicked off by China when their move to sequence the genetic material of SARS, that's CoV-2, the virus that caused COVID-19. China shared the sequence in early January, allowing research groups around the world to grow the live virus and study how it invades human cells and makes people sick. This is, however, not the first attempt at getting a vaccine against the coronavirus. This should have been concluded between the years 2002 and 2004, but the research was abandoned after the world successfully contained the spread of SARS in China and MERS in Saudi Arabia. In the US, the first trial is set for Monday, according to a government official quoted in foreign press. The National Institute of Health is funding the trial, taking place at a research institute in Seattle. Public health officials say it will take a year to 18 months to fully validate any potential vaccine. The testing will begin with 45 young, healthy volunteers with different doses of the vaccine. Ken Mijungu, NTV.